welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So, today we are going to begin with an amazing chapter from your storybook, that is Hidden Treasure. So, as we all know, that hard work beats talent when talent doesn't hard work, right? So, in this chapter, we all are going to read about an old farmer's wisdom, a treasure to share, a story of hard work and showing the care. So, very quickly, let us begin with the chapter now. So, first of all, we have a brainstorm for you over here. So, let us read this and help you to solve it. So, help the pirate Jack find the treasure. So, here you can see there is a pirate, and you have to help the pirate named Jack to find the treasure, to reach the treasure by this puzzle. So, I hope you'll be easily able to solve it and you must enjoy this activity, right? So, this is your homework. To complete it, let's move ahead. So, as this is the story of an old farmer who lived in a village with his wife and his four sons, right? With his wife and his four sons. And he used to say that his four of the four sons were lazy, right? Lazy means not willing to work, not willing to work. So they were actually very lazy, right? And they were not willing to do any work, right? So after that, what happened? All day long, the old farmer noticed that his four sons used to play with their friends and wasted their time doing as many as things they want, right? And they never helped their father. When sometimes farmer used to ask him for their help, they used to laugh at him and they walk away from there. Now farmer was really worried for his good for nothing sons. Good for nothing means useless, right? Good for nothing means useless. So he was actually very worried about his useless sons. Let's move ahead now and read the chapter. So now, after that, what happened? After a few time, the farmer got really ill, right? And he was really becoming very weak. So he was slowly and slowly realizing that he must die very soon. And after that, he called his all the four sons to him and told him that actually I have buried some kind of treasure for you in the field. So go to the field and divide that treasure amongst yourselves in an equal part. And after saying this, the farmer had died. Now, the sons of the farmer were very much sad because of the death of their father, and now they were actually missing their father, right? But after some days had passed, when the farmer died, the sons decided to dig the treasure that was buried in the field that the farmer told them about, right? Now, what happened? When the farmer told them about the treasure, they actually listened to it carefully and they went to the field and dug the whole field for the treasure. Right? Now, let's see that whether they found the treasure or not. Right? So, after that, digging the whole field and not finding anything, the farmer's son were actually very disappointed. Now, when they were feeling disappointed, one of the brother told that if we have dug the whole field, so we must sow the seeds also now, right? So the other son said, yes, obviously, sowing the seeds will be more easier than the and then digging the field, right? So they sowed the fields, and all the sons agreed with this thought, and they started sowing the seeds in the field. Now, after sowing the seeds, actually, what happened after some time? The rain came. And due to that rain, the sowing seeds were actually growing up into the crops. And they were being into the they actually, after passing a few months, they actually became the field actually was full of wheat. Right now, what happened? They cutted the field and sorry, they cutted the wheat from the field, and they actually sold that large amount of wheat for a large sum of money. Right? And now they were very rich. Now, after that, they divided all the money equally amongst them four, and now they got to know that what was the hidden treasure that their father told them about. And all the sons agreed that they will not behave more lazy from now time, and they will start doing the hard work. Right? We have some questions for you that are just to check your knowledge, that how much you have learned from reading the chapter. So let us begin with the first question now. So the first question is, what had the old farmer buried in the field for his sons? So can you tell that what had the old farmer buried in the field for their sons? Absolutely correct. It was a treasure, right? The old farmer has left treasure in the field. Moving up to the second question, it is, how many sons did the farmer have? So we all read in the chapter again and again that how much sons did the farmer have? Can you tell me? Yes, the correct answer, the farmer actually had four sons. Right? So that was all about the chapter. And by reading the chapter, we learned that the sons of the farmer learned late, but they learned well. That some hard work and patience can actually make their fortunes well. Right? So, do subscribe our channel, like the video for more inspiring content and moral lessons, and do not forget to press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you so much.